Alright friends, let's explore something that's potentially on a lot of our minds. Where to invest in 2025? I mean, with everything happening in the world, it can feel a bit like trying to find a needle in a haystack, right? But don't worry, I've got your back. We're going to explore some of the best performing markets to keep an eye on, and I'll also share some solid resources for doing your research. So grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's chat. First off, let's talk about the tech sector. I know, it feels like we've been saying this forever, but hear me out. Technology is not just a trend, it's the backbone of our modern economy. With advancements in AI, machine learning, and the Internet of Things, tech companies are positioned to keep growing. Look at how companies like Microsoft and Google are innovating with AI. It's not just about software anymore. It's about creating smarter systems that can change the way we live and work. So if you're looking for a solid investment, consider tech stocks or even tech-focused ETFs. They tend to have a higher growth rate, and with the right strategy, they can really pay off. Now let's shift gears a bit and talk about renewable energy. This is another area that's gaining traction, and for good reason. As the world becomes more aware of climate change, governments and businesses are investing heavily in renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydro. Companies in this sector are not only doing good for the planet, but are also positioned to benefit from government incentives and a growing consumer base that values sustainability. So, if you're looking to invest in something that has both a moral and financial upside, renewable energy might just be your golden ticket. And while we're on the topic of sustainability, don't overlook the agricultural tech sector. With the global population expected to hit nearly 9 billion by 2050, the demand for food is going to skyrocket. Agri-tech companies are working on innovative solutions to boost crop yields, reduce waste, and make farming more efficient. Investing in this sector could be a smart move, especially as more people become conscious of where their food comes from and how it's produced. Plus, it's a market that's ripe for growth, so keep your eyes peeled. Now, let's talk about healthcare. This is another sector that's always going to be relevant. With an aging population and ongoing health challenges, healthcare companies are continuously innovating. Telehealth, personalized medicine, and biotechnology are just a few areas that are seeing explosive growth. If you're thinking about investing in healthcare, look for companies that are on the cutting edge of research and development. They might be a bit more volatile, but the potential for high returns is definitely there. Alright, let's not forget about real estate. Depending on where you live, this can be a fantastic investment opportunity. With remote work becoming more common, people are looking for homes that offer more space and amenities. The suburban and rural markets are seeing a surge in interest, and that trend is likely to continue. If you're considering real estate, think about investing in properties that cater to these new demands. Rental properties can provide a steady income, and if you play your cards right, you could see some significant appreciation over time. So now that we've covered some promising markets, let's talk about how to research these opportunities. Because let's face it, you don't want to just throw your money at something without doing your homework, right? First up, I cannot stress enough the importance of using reputable financial news outlets. Websites like Bloomberg, CNBC, and the Wall Street Journal are great for up-to-date information on market trends and company performance. They often have expert opinions that can provide valuable insights. Another great resource is financial podcasts. Seriously, there are so many out there that cater to various investment styles and strategies. Podcasts like Invest Like the Best or The Motley Fool Money Show can give you a deeper understanding of market dynamics while keeping things entertaining. You can listen while you're commuting, working out, or just chilling at home. It's a great way to stay informed without feeling overwhelmed. And let's not forget about social media. Platforms like Twitter and LinkedIn can be gold mines for real-time information and expert opinions. Follow investment analysts, economists, and thought leaders in the sectors you're interested in. They often share valuable insights and articles that can help you stay ahead of the curve. Just remember to take everything with a grain of salt and do your own research before making any decisions. For those who prefer a more structured approach, consider using investment research platforms like Morningstar or Seeking Alpha. These platforms offer in-depth analysis, ratings, and tools that can help you evaluate potential investments. They often have community forums where you can engage with other investors, share ideas, and get feedback on your strategies. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of networking. Join investment clubs or online communities where you can discuss ideas and strategies with like-minded individuals. Sometimes the best insights come from casual conversations with fellow investors who might have a different perspective or experience. So there you have it, a rundown of some of the best performing markets to consider for investment in 2025 and some resources to help you research effectively. Remember, investing is a journey, not a sprint. Stay curious, keep learning, and don't be afraid to adapt your strategies as the market evolves. The key is to be informed and make decisions that align with your financial goals. Happy investing, everyone!